Alright everybody, it's time for another car wash video. Today I'm at Mobil in Karori, which has a PDQ Laserwash 360 Plus, which was installed in 2018 to replace a Washtec SoftCare Intro. It was the first Mobil Intro in Wellington to be replaced. Now I know what you're thinking, Alex, you've already filmed a 360 Plus, why are you doing another one? This 360 Plus, unlike the one I did last time, has actually got the LaserGlow feature on it, which is the nice coloured LED lights at the top of the wash bay. Mobil installed the 360 Plus with LaserGlow in 2017 and 2018, but from 2019 onwards they unfortunately stopped buying the Laserwash 360 Plus with LaserGlow. Now there has been a bit of a line for the car wash building up today, so I think I will go and get myself in line and we will, we'll go and have some fun. Geez, that is quite a queue forming there now. Okay, so there's just one more car in front of us. Now we're a little bit unfortunate here because the sun is right up there, so it's going to come through the window. So I'm not entirely sure how well the view of the LaserGlow is going to come out when we're in there. So I thought we'd get a couple of shots from the outside. It's probably not that clear today, unfortunately, because of the sunlight, but you can probably just make out the LED coloured lights there at the top. They actually do different things depending on what stage of the wash we're at. So this is what it does whilst foaming up. Now they've changed. I have no idea what watch package the lady in front has bought, so okay, probably a works wash because it's doing double foam up. You'll notice that this wash bay still got the original wash and run beige and brown. It hasn't been painted white. A lot of the Mobil car wash bays got painted white when they were renovated, but this was one of the first Mobils in Wellington to get an upgrade as part of the ongoing upgrade program. So the original, that was before they started painting them white, so it's still got the original paint. I don't really think they actually renovated the wash bay at all, much, if at all. They pretty much just put the new machine in. Like I said, this was originally a Washtec, would have been a Washtec SoftCare Intro with blue brushes, and then in 2018 they converted it to touchless. There is a shipping container over there because they're over there now, because they've actually got a post office in here. And the only problem with putting it there is that it does make this car wash bay a little bit more difficult to get into. And then up there you can see the LaserGlow again during the high pressure phase. So hopefully we'll be able to see a little bit of the LaserGlow action whilst we're actually inside the wash. I just thought we'd get just a little glimpse here from the outside so that you can really get a sense of what this is. And this LED coloured light feature, like I said, was featured on Mobil installations in 2017 and 2018, but from 2019 onwards they stopped using it. There was another Laserwash 360 Plus with LaserGlow in Wellington at the Caltex Basin Reserve in Newtown. But unfortunately, that site actually closed down in January of this year, 2021, and has subsequently been demolished. And I've no idea where that machine went. I heard it went up to Auckland somewhere. I don't know if it went to another Caltex site or if it might have been sold to a private car wash company. I don't know. Maybe it went back to the manufacturer. I don't know, because it was only a 3-year-old machine. Less than 3 years old, in fact. So yeah. Anyway, we're not going to sit here and just film the whole cycle. So yeah, I think we've seen enough. So we'll leave it there, and I'll see you in a minute when it's our turn to go in. Okay, so it's just finishing off the drying phase now. Sun's gone in a little bit as well, some clouds. So it is now going to be our turn. I've just put a shopping bag on the dashboard here because it is a little bit warm. Hopefully you can see past the New World bag. Right. Oh, turn the engine on might be a good start. Right, I just need to get in position so I can put the code in. Right. 49145. Those PDQ code boxes are really easy to use. Okay, very slowly does it for the side blast and undercarriage wash. Yep, here we go. There is a bit of a ramp to get up into this wash bay. Hope I'm lined up nice and straight. I can't really tell. There we go. Part, engine off. It is warm in this car today, so we'll have plenty of light because there is a nice big window, as you can see. Interestingly, we do have a wash bay door at the front, despite the fact that this particular wash bay is at the back of the station, so it's not facing the road, and it also is nowhere near any houses or in the middle of town here in Karori. Quite busy today. This is a popular car wash because this is the only car wash in Karori. There are other car washes around various parts of Wellington, but this is the only one actually in Karori. I guess when you think about it though, you can kind of see why Mobil may have opted against retaining LaserGlow, because the majority of their laser washes have been installed at these wash and run sites that do have a big window running down the side. And I guess that the LaserGlow effect probably doesn't come out so well in Mobil's very bright glass wash bays. It probably works better in dark wash bays. But oh well, you can kind of see a little bit, but not too much. My car definitely does need this wash though. Definitely needs it. Because we're coming to the end of September now. I don't think I've washed my car since what, end of July, beginning of August maybe? It's been nearly 2 months since I last washed my car. Here we come. Now we've got to wait a minute whilst we await the high pressure. I can't really see anything now. I'm having a cup of coffee while I'm in here as well, because why not? I mean, the reason I've left it this long is partly because of us having a lockdown a few weeks ago, but also because I've been waiting for the weather to be good. Because the last couple of weekends the weather's just been terrible. So here we go. Now, as always in these car wash videos, I've bought the top wash package available, the Works Wash for $18. Here comes the, is it actual triple foam here? Oh, would you look at that, actual triple foam. That is unusual, because Mobil normally substitutes triple foam for an alternative substance, but this one has got actual triple foam. That's nice. You can see the pink, blue and yellow in there. And it all sort of goes green once they start mixing in. Yeah, most of the Mobil 360 Pluses don't actually have triple foam. They replace it with an alternative substance that's just blue. But no, this is actually triple foam. That's excellent. A lot of rinsing going on here. This has got the latest Mobil spec programming. And we get another little spray from up here. Not sure what this does. Another type of wax or product or something. Nice clear signage as always. Now the machine's just tracking back and we're about to go to high pressure for the final time. It'll run the other way this time. I think it's actually good that we get high pressure in both directions. I don't know if it makes any difference, but it's kind of cool. Yeah. So with the latest Mobil programming, you don't get another rinse after the final high pressure. Your final high pressure pretty much is your rinse. This is a little bit disappointing. I think it would be good if we could have spot free before the dry, but the thing is there's so much else in this wash package that it kind of takes long enough. Now you can actually tell that this is an older wash bay door because it's black, whereas the newer ones are normally blue. This wash bay door was actually here back when the Washtec was. So they kept the original wash bay door. I am just going to pop the seatbelt back on because we're nearly at the end. And I'm aware that there are other cars waiting to use the wash, so we don't want to be taking too long. The machine's just making its way back now. I can't quite see. There it is. And any second now, yep, here it comes. Wash arms there. Let's see the whole machine now. Okay. And out we come. Well, that was good. I mean, nothing really surprises me about that because I've been through Laserwash 360 Plus with Mobil before. That, and also I've just watched two other cars have exactly the same wash package before me. So I went into that pretty much knowing exactly what to expect, which is why I wasn't overly surprised by anything. But the use of actual triple foam rather than a substitute was a nice surprise and something I don't normally get with Mobil. So that was definitely an interesting experience. And yeah, it's nice to be able to say that I've now filmed one that's got LaserGlow on it, which is quite nice. So yeah, that was interesting. This is one that's been on my to-do list for quite some time now. I don't really know what my next car wash video is going to be. I haven't planned anything in particular, so yeah, we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all next time.